have evidence of all of my innocuous shame, but whatever. I am not smart. That's okay. Does the sample size have to be the same for each group? I did not think it did.
Not for independent, I don't think, because independent just means that they don't really have much to do with each other, right?
That's what I thought.
Yeah, independent is that they don't depend on each other at all.
Yeah, because the one that we did in the book, the sample sizes were 204 and 117. So is it just the first two?
Hold on. I'm almost there. I had to back out.
I think so. I'm looking at the text right now, and it says a simple random sample was drawn from populations. X bars normally distributed. Oh, maybe I'm reading the wrong place.
Oh, that's why this looks exactly the same. Okay, never mind. I accidentally reopened up lesson 12, not lesson 13. I was like, this is the exact same question as last time.
Then you should ace it.
Because I did not understand what you guys were talking about. I was like, this isn't even the question. What? Okay, I'm back now. We're good.
Yeah, I think it's just the first two.
That is what I thought. But
Okay.
So what test?
what do you think, Jordan?
Well, I just got into it. I'm trying to find the SPSS on my thing, but it's really hard time right now.
Oh.
Okay,
The
so
requirements has to have some random sample.
what requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis testing comparing two means with independent samples? I know it doesn't have to be C. I don't think the sample size must be the same for each group.
No, I don't think so either.
For
So
requirements, I have a simple random sample, and both of them, both X bar 1 and X bar 2 have to be normal. Those are the only
Yeah,
requirements.
I think it's the first two.
be normal. Yeah. Okay. Good. I like
Yeah.
it. Now I agree. All right. For number 4, the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with an independent samples is a
Test score.
That's what I got too.
I like
I
F.
thought it was F for fantastic, and then I was gonna like that option, but F statistic. That's it. I like fantastic better. But...
That's frightening.
Okay. So T score, right?
Yeah.
All right. Question 5. Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determines which subjects will be in group 2, or okay, so it's the second one, right? Knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. There.
Okay.
Okay.
Open line. Ugh, to be a dentist. I read the word dentist and my knees get a little bit shaky.
Really?
Phobia is?
I never had that. Well, I've been going to the same dentist since I was seriously in kindergarten.
Hello?
That was my problem.
See,
I went to the same one from the time I was tiny.
Hi.
A sadist.
and he's
Hello?
awful. Oh my gosh.
Awful.
I love my dentist. He's seen me grow up more than most of my extended family. So every time I go see him, it's like, oh my gosh. Remember when you were in kindergarten?
Aww. Okay, my
I'm trying.
issues.
Yeah, I'm trying to open mine too.
I hate not having SPSS, like, with all the code.
Here, I'll show my screen, Heather. You can look at my screen. And
Thanks.
Good.
I sent my laptop in yesterday, so I should have it by next week.
Oh, good.
What do you need help with the homework? Like, how do you do that?
Well, I emailed her and explained to her that I didn't have SPSS and asked for an extension, thinking like, oh, next week. She gave me like a day's worth of an extension. She's like, go use the library. I was like, I'm pretty sure I don't have SPSS. I don't think you read my email correctly.
Oh,
But
like you're not
But
on campus.
So I just submitted it and got a 0 because I can't do anything. So
Oh, shoot. We
Oh.
can go over it together and share a
Yeah.
screen.
Yeah.
mean, it says to work on our homework together, just not to share answers, right?
Well, it just says that you have to submit individual ones.
You should try getting the VMware.
Mhm.
The problem is that I don't want to do that to my mom's laptop. Just because,
You don't want it to start looking like Sarah's the other day with the screen all black and blue.
yeah,
Yes.
she would kind of freak out a little bit.
It's only like that for 2 hours.
It was a lovely, I don't know, I mean, it'd be a charming screensaver, but not so much
Yeah.
trying to work.
It's almost like a game. I could erase the screen with my mouse. Everything was going black. Yeah, that was scary.
The one where we have to separate the two groups again.
Okay, well, I'm looking at it and it doesn't show that we have 2 groups. It just has dentist bill and Iowa Falls. Or is there?
Rexburg.
Oh, there's one that's Rexburg. Oh, okay. I didn't scroll down.
So
Okay.
let me get back to the textbook because I don't remember this process.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not the earlier step. Well, let's see, because first you group them, right? You go to
Yeah.
graphs, or not graphs.
Analyze.
Transform. We have to transform and then automatic recode, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you do it under dentist bill, not city, just dentist bill. Can you see mine, Heather?
Yeah, I can see yours.
Wait, so what did you do? I'm still not sure I understand this.
So look at
What'd you
mine.
do?
So what you do is you go to transform, you go to automatic code, and then you'll send over, it will be dentist bill, which is what it's sent over for me. So, and then when it's over, and here you put new code or whatever you want to name it, and then it'll connect them, and then you press OK, and it creates this. And then in the thing, it will show this, which is what it is.
I have an illegal character. I just called it new code, but it said it had an illegal character.
Yeah, don't put a space in it. Put like a dot or something.
Oh, thank you. I remember the last time I did something illegal. And then I just hit OK.
Yep, and then it will pop it up. And then we go to compare me, and then we go to independent sample p-test.
Compare means an independent sample p-test.
And then you put in the new code.
Wait, so as the test variable or the grouping
Yeah.
variable?
So then you put in the new code in your test variable.
Yeah, just a sec. Let me make sure.
Wait, I think I'm lost.
Yeah, it should be able to put the new code because that's what you're using.
I was so confused. I was using your mouse as mine. That's not where I'm moving it. What's it doing?
And then do you put something in the grouping variable?
Might be the test.
Oh, wait. Did we do an automatic recode?
Here it is.
How'd you do that?
You go to define groups.
Mine, that's not an option on mine. I can't click it.
Might be actually a message.
I brought over a new code. Did you do? Yeah, mine's not. I can't press mine.
Hold on, let me see. Where are you at? So,
Because, yeah, see how yours is shaded now and you can't click it?
So
okay,
you just put in group 1, group 2.
That's per week. Yeah, so you just put in group 1 and group 2, and you put in the new code and the grouping variable. I see what I did wrong.
Because
And
mine,
then
Oh, we did something wrong.
variable,
Find the
the
group.
test. Huh?
I can't do that on mine. If I open up the one, it gives me test variables and grouping variables, but define groups isn't, it's stated out. I can't click it.
Is it in independent? It's in independent sample t-test.
It's an independent sample t-test, yeah.
Okay.
And
Here, share yours real quick.
I tried and I couldn't make it share the screen. I was trying to share it earlier and it would not work. Let me try it. Oh, there we go. So mine, I'm just an independent sample t-test. So I have new code. I bring that over. Can you see? But my define groups is not clickable. Did I miss a step?
I might even miss the stuff.
Because I got the new code over here. But then I go to compare means, independent samples, test, new code, and yeah, it doesn't let me define the groups.
You have to put a group into the grouping variable first. So put
Yeah, so you put the new code into the grouping variable.
Oh, okay.
Oh, new codes and grouping variable.
Yeah,
I in the test variable.
Oh,
I think
How
the
do I-
dentist bill goes in the test.
What?
how do I go?
I think so.
So it says that the test variables box is the variable containing your data values.
So the data values, that would be the
And then
bill,
the
right?
variable that tells which group the data belong to into the grouping variable.
So the dentist bill would be the test variable?
Is that what we're testing?
That's a good
Hold on.
question.
This is what the textbook shows when you're inputting it. And so the new code, it looks like the group code goes into the grouping variable. And then the test value, or test variable, is what is originally on here.
Okay, I'm confused. So we did something wrong originally, right?
I think so.
So how do I go back and fix it?
Why did you do it wrong? Did you get your new code?
Well, I mean, I came here, but it looks very different than Jordan's numbers.
Is group 1 Idaho Falls and group 2 is Rexburg?
I don't know. See what I mean?
So the test that we're doing is if Idaho Falls is less than Rexburg.
Okay, let me just exit out of this and try doing it again.
Whoa. That was
Yeah,
weird.
I don't even know what the.
Oh,
Okay.
I clicked on something and it just took me to a help screen for IBM.
So first things first, we go to transform and then automatic record or whatever, right? Automatic recode.
Yeah.
Yes.
Automatic recode. And then in the new variable, we put new code.
Or yeah, whatever it is you want to name it.
Dang it. It saved my new code thing. Why I needed to exit out entirely. Okay, let me try and just reopen it. So I don't know where I went wrong. This one has so many steps.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, wouldn't it just be easier to put them in two different columns?
Seriously. Okay, come on, open it again.
Now you click OK, right?
Okay, so first I go to transform, automatic recode. I bring the dentist bill over, and then I can name it new code. And then, okay. And then after you do that, you go to analyze.
Mm-hmm.
Compare means.
No, isn't it the
I don't remember.
Yeah.
oh, yeah, compare means and then the oh shit.
Independent samples t-test.
Yes, that.
Okay, so it is compare means. Compare means independent sample t-test. And then I bring the dentist bill to test variable and new code to grouping variable.
Yeah, but then we have to define the groups, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What do we define them as? Do we name them like Idaho Falls and Rexburg?
It just in the textbook it just named them 1 and 2.
Oh, okay.
But what goes in test variable and what goes in grouping
The
variable?
dentist bill goes in test variable.
And then the new code goes in the grouping variable, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
But it's weird because it doesn't come up. Mine hasn't anyways.
And then you just define the groups, right? Name them group 1 and group 2.
Yeah, but this is all that pops up for mine.
So how does it know where to separate them?
This might be a review question.
No,
Think?
it's not because the billing of the Idaho Falls office doesn't affect the billing of the Rexburg office at all. So they're not dependent samples.
How
How do we know that we separated them from Idaho Falls to Rexburg? That's what I'm
Well,
confused
that's,
about.
yeah, because I've got dentist bill, and then there's a,
Maybe we have to put in city.
Yeah.
that's what I'm
Wouldn't
wondering.
city be the grouping variable?
What?
Because we're grouping it by city, aren't we? We're comparing Idaho Falls to Rexburg. So wouldn't it make sense for the cities to be the two different groups?
Yeah.
I would have thought, but if we label them Rexburg and Idaho Falls, will that?
No, I think we still do. We do the transformation. Hold on.
Can we go back and redo it like this? Or do you have to reopen it?
I can't use any characters. I can only use numbers in the defined groups.
Might be the city.
No, I'm saying like if we want to change our groups and stuff, how we had done it, do we need to close it and then reopen it?
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
So let me see. Automatically.
So you're closing your output window?
Mm-hmm. I closed it out and then went back in. And then
Yeah, I'm trying to. Do you guys want me to bring up the redheaded guy to watch his again?
That might be good.
Okay, let me pull him up.
But did he say anything about this? I don't remember seeing it in the videos. I could be crazy.
Thought he did, I just didn't get to finish it. Okay.
I got it.
You figured out how to do it?
Yeah.
Oh. How'd you do it?
What'd you do?
So Heather was right. So what you do is when you go into transform, go to transform, go to automatic recode, and instead of playing Dennis Bill, you're doing the new code
For the
for
city.
the city.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the variable is new code.
No, sorry. So when you put in the variable, put in city.
City, okay. And then the new name is the, no, wait. I'm sorry. So am I still supposed to have because there's still a new code in there.
So yeah, so just redo it again. If there's a new code already in there, just
Reopen SPSS.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so after you do so Idaho Falls is 1 and Rexburg is 2.
Yeah.
So am I still sharing my screen? I think I am. So this is what it's supposed to look like.
Hold on. A second. Go to your. That's what it looks like.
Oh, are you showing me?
No, I was looking at yours.
Oh,
So go.
so that is what it's supposed to look like.
I think
And then you go to like analyze, and then we go to compare means.
yeah, but do analyze on the what's it called, the other window.
Oh.
So I just opened mine back up. So first I go to the
Transform.
form and automatic recode, right?
Yeah, and so instead of the dentist bill, put in the city for the variable test. Yeah, so now, okay, so now Sarah, put in the dentist bill.
For the test variable?
Yeah, and then put in the new code.
Okay, so now I go to analyze, right? Compare means,
Yeah,
dependent samples, t-test. And then for test variables, I put in the new code? Or is that the grouping variable? If
let
the
me
test-
see your screen.
Oh, okay. Trying to share it, and for some reason it does not like being cooperative. Well, it's just those 3 variables when you go into the t-test one. Let's see, you're not there, sorry. I don't know why it's not letting me screen share. But this is not delightful.
So is this where you're at? Are you in the automatic recode, or are you going back to compare?
No, that's where I'm at. I'm in the automatic recode.
Okay, so what you do, so looking at my screen, so you should have the city already in.
So the city goes into the test variables.
Yeah.
String variables are not allowed in the list. Of
Are you
course.
sure you're in automatic recode, Tara, and not in the?
I'm in independent samples t-test. Let me go.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, no. You
Sorry,
put in.
what's this thing?
the-
Okay, so I got the new code. I did the first step. Now I go to where?
So with it, you go. So hold on, just a second.
I
So
did the
you should-
automatic recode.
Okay. So does it look like this?
Not yet.
The test variable is in here.
No, it wouldn't let me. Oh, the dentist bill. Okay, let me try it again. It didn't seem to let me do that before. Independent means, wait, is it an independent samples t-test?
Yeah.
Okay, so the city goes into the test variables.
No. So in the independent sample t-test,
Mm-hmm.
the dentist bill will go into the test variable.
Oh, okay.
So what the transform does is it groups the two.
And then the new code goes into the bottom. Okay,
Yeah.
that's where I was confused. Okay, do I define the groups with 1 and 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, you guys.
No, it's fine.
No, you're
We
fine.
all got to learn this, and
I believe the monotony of hearing it again and again will cement it in your minds, right? Okay, and then I hit OK.
Hopefully.
yeah.
All right.
So it should be good.
Oh, okay. There we go.
I am a little scared that question 6 is a review question, though.
Oh, goodness.
Mhm.
No, the degrees of freedom are easy. Isn't that just the n-1?
No, it's on your output.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
right.
it's on there, but we have
So-
2 different degrees of freedom.
Yes.
No, okay. So here's the thing. Ignore the top part.
Yeah.
You
No,
ignore the
Don't
top
do
one.
anything with the top ones. You always use the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh,
This one right here. The
okay.
equal variance not assumed.
cool. 37.995 or
6.
round it to?
Equal variance is not assumed. 3.996, right? We round it 3 decimal places, or 37.996.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it
What
996
is
or 966?
996.
Thank you.
what is the sample standard deviation for Rexburg?
Is that where we go to group statistics? Is that the 206.637?
That's what I think. 206.637.
Did it say for Rexburg?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's 206.637.
Say that one more time, slower.
So, so it's asking for the Rexburg standard sample deviation.
Yeah.
And so it's right here. So,
Oh, okay. Yeah, I saw that. 0.637.
206.
0.637.
Correct.
I heard 637. We're good.
Test statistic. Do we go back down to the
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
one
that's just under T.
Wait, what?
So it's negative. This right here. Negative.
So it's negative 0.34.
Negative
Yeah.
0.434.
Yeah.
434.
Negative 0.434. Okay. That makes sense.
Okay.
And
And
the
then
P
P
value
value.
also on the
What's that?
The p-value is down in that lower quadrant as well.
yep, it's under the sig two-tailed.
Okay.
So
And
is
are
it-
we doing the two-sided or is this a one-sided?
This is one-sided.
So it would be 0.333.
Yeah.
How do you know this is one-sided?
Because it's the question is asking us less than.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it shows. Yeah, it shows right here.
That was the positive 0.333, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we failed to reject the null, right?
And the level significance is at 0.10. Yeah.
Okay, these always mess me up. So if we fail to reject the null, we have sufficient, right? So it's either A or C.
Well, but it's asking a different question.
Oh, oops.
Suppose instead that you had used the alternative hypothesis, which is the first group is not equal to the second. What is the correct decision based on this evidence?
Well, then it would be 0.666, right?
Yeah, and it would still be wrong. Or it'd still be insufficient.
So if we fail to reject, that means that we have
Well, it would still be greater than alpha. So we would
have
still,
sufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different, don't we?
yes.
So it's
I think it's A.
yeah, me too. Okay, now we're using
Where's the the upper?
fresh
Oh, wait a
diner.
minute. But the upper and lower have 0 in between them. Does that play any factor?
That.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Because the lower is negative 161.540 and the upper is 104.464. So
That's in between
there's-
the upper and lower bound.
yeah. So since the mean is somewhere in the middle, doesn't that mean that we reject it anyway, or that we?
But we base whether or not we reject the null off of the p-value. It doesn't have anything to do
Yeah,
with it.
that's what I thought too. If the P is low, reject the
Right.
null.
I know what you mean, Tara.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I know what I mean. There's
No,
something
that's
to do
the
with
thing.
that,
It's like
but
you
I
said
don't
it.
remember what.
So it says if 0 is the confidence is in the confidence interval, then there is no difference between the means.
Okay, so that's just the means. That doesn't have anything to do with our p-value and whether we're
No,
okay. Okay, thank you.
no problem.
My friend are crazy. You must have a wife or something that's a girl. Sorry if I'm being offensive to my fellow female students here.
No, I'm crazy. I know it.
Oh, good. Me too.
Isn't the key to marriage finding your brand of crazy? That's kind of what I've always understood.
That would be
Isn't
the
that a country song?
Probably.
my kind of crazy.
Yeah.
My
would
sister used to tell me that all the time when I was just dating Jake. She's like, Sarah, Hide, you're crazy. You're not married yet. I can't.
Well, not me. I embraced it more before I was married, just so there would be no surprises.
Surprises.
He knew
Yeah.
exactly what he was getting into.
Seriously.
Okay, freshman dinner.
No.
Goodness. Right.
Freshman
Time.
dinner.
Freshmen
Oh,
cook their own dinner. Do any freshmen cook their own dinner?
When I was a freshman, I definitely cooked my own dinner. I was so afraid to spend money, like, ever my freshman year. Because I didn't have a job. So I, like, sold my plasma, and I only bought groceries when I sold plasma. I have the scars to prove it.
Oh my god!
I, like, would not spend money.
I won't let
I
my
can't-
wife do it.
Sell plasma?
Yes, she used to do it all the time.
Good for her.
We're dividing these up again.
For you.
Mhm.
Yeah. So let's see if I remember.
Transform.
Transform, automatic recode. Oh wait, we need to read the problem to know which one we're. Or do we
state,
know-
right? So the variable is the state.
I don't know. Is that right?
Yeah,
Jordan?
the variable is the state.
Okay,
Oh yeah, because they're all freshmen. Okay, that makes sense.
awesome. And then we do transform again, don't we?
Yeah. Transform, autocode.
Automatic recode.
Yeah.
Can I just go to automatic recode? Yeah, I just did that one. Okay. Sorry, what's after that?
Now go
And then you
to
go back to the first window
Yeah.
and you analyze.
Compare
And
means,
then means, independent means.
sample t-test. Okay, so the grouping variable is the state, right? The one down there? Or is that the test variable?
Test variable is the state, and then new code is the grouping variable, right?
yeah.
Yes.
Wait, but aren't we grouping by state?
It's
No,
so
the test variable would be freshman. The test variable would be freshman
yeah.
because it's that's the one that's the numbers.
Gotcha.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh,
And
and
then
then new
string
code.
Grouping variable is the state, right?
Yes.
String variables mean that it's not numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does that make
Wait,
sense?
What did you say?
Does that make
String
sense? That
variables?
Group variables mean
No,
it's
string variables mean that it's not numbers.
what kind of
Grouping.
variables? I'm sorry.
String, like a piece of string.
String variables. And where do those go?
so what we're doing is in transform, we're separating the group, basically the group variables, and then
Mine could not be computed because at least one of the groups is empty. I think I did something wrong.
So new code goes in the grouping variable.
yeah.
Let me come back. Okay. Independent samples t-test, right?
Yeah.
And the test variable is freshman,
Yeah.
and then new code is the grouping variable, right?
Yeah. And then make sure you press define groups, and then
Fine.
put 1 and 2.
Okay. Oh, there it went. You know what I did? I put the state in for the test variable instead of the new code.
Yeah.
Oh.
Awesome.
For number 12, wouldn't it be B?
Yes.
Appropriate alternative hypothesis. Okay.
So we're just trying to find the difference.
Oh, okay. Because the hypothesis is that first is equal to the second, so it would just be that it's not equal, right?
Yeah. Okay, and then the test statistic should be negative 0.845.
Yeah, the bottom one, right? We do the equal variance is not assumed. So negative.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Negative 0.845.
And the p-value,
We don't divide this one because
Because it's two-sided.
right.
yeah.
So it's
0.41.
0.41, 0.
Yeah.
And
And that's less than the alpha, so you reject the null hypothesis, right?
Wait, it's
It's not less than the alpha. It's greater than the alpha.
0.410.
Alpha. Oh, 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay. So we
Okay,
failed to reject.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Ooh. Margin of error. So this is where we subtract lower bound from upper bound divided by 2, or we add
Mhm.
them.
It's upper bound minus lower bound divided by 2.
Okay.
For the bottom one, right? For the equivariance.
So we have to find, so we have to find the margin of error for both groups, and then I can subtract them. Subtract group
How
one.
do we do that?
Mhm.
Because you've got equivariance is assumed and equivariance is not assumed, but that's all I've got.
I think we go to analyze, and then compare means. What was the regular one that we always do?
Margin of error is. I don't. Why are you doing that?
Oh wait, no, we already have the upper one
Yeah, we already have the 95% confidence interval.
Yeah.
right here.
So we just do the upper bound minus the lower bound divided by 2, and that's the margin of error.
For
Just
the
for
bottom
second
one, right?
Yeah, the bottom one.
Okay.
Oh, so
I mean, I could be wrong, but I don't think that makes sense to me.
and we're
Well,
using we're still using the equivariance is not assumed.
Yeah, it's always the bottom one.
Okay. So we do the upper bound, the 2.20401 minus -5. I never know how to do these. I keep forgetting my algebra.
I know. If you subtract a negative, don't you end up just adding it?
Yep. Doesn't matter. You still do it.
Okay. So is it -2.93333?
I'm calculating.
Oh wait, then we divide that by 2. Yes.
Yeah, I got 3.670675.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, I subtracted 2.20401. I did that minus 5.13734.
What was your answer, Heather?
3.670675.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Where on earth did I go wrong?
You minus 5 instead of minusing -5.
But if I minus -5, it gave me like a 7 point something.
Yeah, and then you divide it by 2.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Okay, so what was it? 3.1.
671 rounded up.
Okay, thank you.
See, that's what scares me is it doesn't say round by 3 in this one.
I think we automatically assume that, don't
Well,
we?
but at the top, doesn't it say something like always round by 3 unless told otherwise?
Yeah.
That's what I just always assume. Yeah, when calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal places unless otherwise specified.
Yeah.
So input the lower bound.
Would that be 5.137 or
Negative
-5.137?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And
And then the
then
upper bound is 2.204.
Okay, I'll submit first if you want.
Are you sure, Jordan?
Sure.
Can I submit?
I got this.
Jordan's like, wait.
We're not throwing him under the bus, Heather. A couple of meetings ago, he said he liked submitting first.
Okay.
For a very good reason.
Because he's a giver and a gentleman, that's why.
Exactly.
Gentleman.
Okay. And
I love the 8-point confirmation because I've submitted things erroneously before.
oh, dang it.
Oh,
What do we miss?
Whoa, it's not what you missed yet.
oh. Oh, come on. Have some faith in yourself.
Negative
it say?
negative 3.671, right?
3.6 not negative.
For which one?
16. Yeah, it's just 3.671.
Of course.
Jordan.
No,
Wait, is that the only one we missed?
Click that view feedback again.
That always been there?
Oh, okay, never mind then. We're good.
Which
Okay,
other
what was
one?
the other one?
Oh, right there. Number 11. So we must have misinterpreted the
So we
question.
failed to reject the null.
Everybody got A, right?
Yes.
Oh, we failed to reject the null. That means we have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between them are different. Because if we fail to reject the null,
That means we don't have any.
that we don't have any evidence to suggest that it's the alternative.
What number is that?
11.
11.
Oh, wait, we used, so the alternative hypothesis is that they're not the same. So we have, because what was the null? The null was that they are the same. So if the thing was that they are not the same, then we would still reject it, wouldn't we?
No, because the p-value is greater than the level of significance,
Mhm.
and so we fail to reject the null, which means that we have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different. It means that we don't know that they're different because our evidence doesn't suggest that. But you can't conclude the null, so you have to say insufficient evidence. I think it's B.
Yeah, me too.
Sounds good. All right, you want me
Okay,
to?
I'll try it.
What?
I'll try it.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun. $94. What I missed. For number 5, we put B.
Number 5, yeah.
Well, where was I? Okay. Well, then everyone else should get 100.
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay. So number 5 is B?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yay!
All right.
Well,
Good job, guys.
Hey, so is the margin of error always not negative?
I think it could be negative, maybe. Well,
But
no,
that,
I don't think it's ever negative because that doesn't make sense for what margin of error means.
yeah, because mine, because mine came up negative when I divided it, and that's why I put that in there.
Oh, is that because because I just did the 2 point whatever minus 5 point. I didn't do the minus negative because I thought that was wrong. So I got the 7 whatever. So it is the minus negative.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Yeah,
So
the
it's-
negatives cancel out and then it just becomes a positive, right? That doesn't make any sense to me. But
So it became negative like 7 point something.
it was a positive, I think. Because if I did,
No, so if you subtract a negative, you're still taking it negative. So the lower bound was negative like I think 3 point something.
well, no, it was 2.20401 minus negative 5.13734
Oh.
is 7.34135.
Okay. Wait. So is it upper bound minus lower bound?
Yes.
Yes, upper bound minus lower bound.
That's
So
what
then
I
we got 3.670 or 3.671 if we round.
round.
Yeah, that's where I would have gone wrong too. So I'm glad y'all were here. Yay! That's why I love groups.
Wait, so there can be. That's what I'm trying to understand is if there can be a negative.
I don't
I
think,
think there
there can. Because margin of error is like
How much is between?
margin of error is like how it's like this is.
Isn't that how many points away from the mean you are?
7.71 off is basically what it's saying. It's giving you like a cushion of this might or might not be correct. But
Yeah.
you're pretty sure it's within this.
Yeah.
That's right. That's why we
And
have
those
the
cushions.
95% confidence level that the mean is somewhere between these numbers.
Correct.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Cool. Hey, that was less painless than less painful. That's what I meant to say, not painless.
Yeah, all we had to do was figure out SPSS. By that we mean Jordan did.
No, Jordan, I'm going to be calling you when
Jordan.
I walk me through this.
Definitely a team effort.
Indeed. But you were our team MVP this time. Thank you.
Yeah, for real.
Oh,
Agree with Heather. My day will come. my day will come.
Cool.
Okay.
All right,
You
yeah.
guys are great.
So I hope
The
I'll have
best-
my laptop ready next week. So
Yeah, if you need help or whatever, give one of us a just send out a text when you're ready to work and
Yeah.
I'm hoping I might have it back by Friday because all they have to do is replace the Intel chip and send it back to me. So
Oh.
if I have it by Friday, then I'll be fine.
okay. Well, if not, let us know. I'll be
Yeah.
gone by Friday, but I'll be gone by Friday. But if you do it tomorrow, let me know.
Yeah, I can
I
get
don't
on.
know where ever.
Yeah, I just watched you trying to muddle through it. I will call Jordan.
I know.
Because I know how to do it.
I
It's
know
just
you're
that
like, I don't even have it in front of me, and I can tell you you're doing it wrong.
I know, it's impressive.
Thank you for all your help. I'm gonna go over my notes and play with this until I get it.
Okay, sounds good.
Hey,
Okay.
so 11 is B, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just making sure.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat some lasagna.
I'm gonna go
Enjoy
finish
the
my.
lasagna. Tara, enjoy the rest of your birthday.
I know. Have such a good day, Tara. Eat lots of cake and don't feel bad.
Better by me not muddling through this on my own. So thank you. Have a great day, y'all.
You too. Bye, guys.